I'm good, thanks for asking. What about you? I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. What about you? Maharashtra. What do you do? Are you a student or working? Which department are you studying? Pardon? I wow. Then are you I don't do anything. Yeah. Then are you Yeah, I have completed my graduation. Are you studying in Maharashtra or are you studying in different state within India? Maharashtra. Which year are you studying? Yeah, final year. Okay. After that, what's your goal? Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh, then what brings you here? Means, do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with language learner? Okay, how long have you been using this platform? Mm-hmm. Right. Hmm. Because of right. Hmm. Then how do you practice your language apart from talk with the people? How do you practice? Okay. Mm-hmm. Then how to use ChatGPT? How to learn it? Yeah, of course, definitely. I know. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then you give prompt, right? Okay. Mhm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Then do you practice with them audio call or writing communication? How to practice your English? Oh, okay. Audio call also in there. You can practice with the robot, right? Okay. Okay, I never try to practice with robot, but I sometime I use Chat GPT for writing communication. Right, mhm, right, right. But he always provides in different answer, right? Then we have to read properly and we have to concise also good manner way, right? Otherwise, we cannot accept everything what he has written, right? We have to correct it inside what we require and what we don't require, right? Then we can focus properly. Otherwise, if you believe him blindly, then you cannot improve. because he had written everything according to his means, thought and idea, right? But that is not idea because that is a robot, that is a machine, right? Whatever he has fixed inside, he provide, right? Yeah, that's why little bit we have to focus according to our query, and means according to query we can concise that paragraph, and we can delete also something, and we can add also something in there, right? Yeah, otherwise we cannot believe blindly whatever he has written and whatever he provided, right? Yeah, that is a machine. He cannot think about anything. He has no brain. He never think about extra thing, right? Yeah. But we can learn from him. These days, no one can use their mind, right? Because we don't have time. If we use ChatGPT or any kind of Google instrument, then definitely we have to good prompt, then you get good answer sheet from them, right? Hmm. That is a good. That is a good. These days, if anyone wants to learn professional writing, right, then they can learn everything. At least they can learn, and they can means become a good writer, good drafter, right? Otherwise otherwise, communication is a different, no required to means like a grammatical speak or something. But if you want to write professional way, then you have to focus grammar. Without grammar, you cannot write professional paragraph, right? That's why communication is also required in writing, reading, and listening. But if we speak perfectly, then we can write also perfectly. Or if we speak perfectly with accuracy, with grammar, not that kind of fluent speaker, right? But if we speak correct sentence with correct grammar, then we can write also perfectly. Otherwise, we make mistake. Writing is a different. Writing always require grammar, but speaking part, it's okay. Sometimes we cannot use grammar, right? But we speak. But while writing, if you write according to your speaking, then we make mistake, because sometimes never speaking part never takes grammar, right? That's why I don't do anything. I'm unemployed, bekar. Yeah. Then I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm here. As a Indian, we don't have language partner, and we don't get atmosphere to talk with anyone in 24 hours in English, right? Then we people depend in this type of platform to practice, and this type of platform provides us language partner, including atmosphere, speaking atmosphere, right? I completed my graduation long time ago. Yeah. This day I'm learning language, how to speak better English like you. Yes.